guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's YouTube video, we are doing a slime collection, but as you can tell by the title, we are going to be upgrading, or I would say, like fixing some of my slimes. So yeah, let's get started. So this slime is a regular cloud slime, and I'm gonna go get some light blue paint, put it in here, and we're gonna make it a light blue slime. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I just got my paint and my spoon, and let's get started. But before we get started, I want you guys to like, subscribe, and also comment down below. Hello! Alright guys, so now let's get started. And so I'm going to put it in here. And I'm going to get my paint. Ooh, crusty. Look, there's crustiness! So there's a lot of like crustiness on the container. So I'm just going to kind of put it in a pile, as you can see right here. Okay, so guys, I only have kind of a little bit paint left, but that's okay. And I'm going to kind of attempt for like a lightish blue. And yeah, I know this is a lot of paint, so I'm going to leave it like that. And I'm just going to mix it in with my hands because, honestly, I'm fine with my hands getting dirty because the slime can just collect it right off after. So, yeah, I'll come back to you guys when this slime has transformed to kind of a light blue, or I actually think I'm going to keep you guys watching. Miserable. I'm just joking. This is not miserable. This is cool. This is cool, actually, guys. So, I'm actually going to turn on my light. So I'm going to turn on my light. So I just turned on my light. And it's a lot better now. So, I kind of have some scrappies. But right now, it's kind of like a teal, and I'm not really liking that color. So I'm just gonna kind of collect some. I'm just gonna like do some more paint because so as you guys can see, it may look kind of looks pretty in the camera, but you know, like not that pretty. It kind of looks like a coral green. Whoa. And I don't really want it that color. I want it more of like a light sky blue. So I'm gonna add a little bit more paint to it. So I have this much paint, and that should be enough. So yeah, I'm going in with my hands again. Yes, I do have my spatula. My spatula is not broken, if you guys were wondering. Or I actually don't think have I showed the spatula? I think I have. I don't know. But yeah, so it's still kind of the same, so I'm just gonna come back to you guys when I have the color that I want. So yeah, I'll come back to you guys in like 3 minutes, or like 1 second for you guys. Okay guys, so I finally got the color that I liked, and it's pretty dark and kind of like pretty. It's really pretty actually, kind of dark. But it's kind of hard, so I'm gonna have to add some lotion to it. So yeah. Alright guys, so I just added a lot more lotion. And Farrah, you can go out. Sorry, my dog. Ooh, Farrah. Ew. Farrah. What do you want? 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 Anyways, guys, so while that whole Farrah fiasco, by the way, her name is spelled F-A-R-R-A-H. Yo. Oh, yeah, sorry. So, yeah. Not you! So, after that whole Farrah fiasco, this shirt, sorry. This slime kind of became a little bit better. This house of mine. Ferrera, I love you, Ferrera. This house of mine. So, it's kind of better, but still gonna add some more love. Deep inside you. That should be about enough lotion. I might have to add a little more, though. I'm just joking. I might have to. Actually, I don't know. Deep inside, yeah. Oh. Ew, this feels so wormy. Ew. I have like little flakes of snow in between my fingernails, and it feels so Guys, comment down your favorite YouTuber. Me, obviously. Obviously me, right? It has to be. Honestly, I'm fine if it's not me. But my top 3, Joanna Sedia. I don't know how to pronounce her last name. But Joanna Sedia. I like Morgs. And Maria Dabrowski, which is my YouTube channel. The truth. So guys, this kind of turned better. The snow isn't really sticking to me anymore. And it's back to regular cloud slime. Except the only really big thing is that it's blue. Or I should say turquoise. I don't know, turquoise, teal, maybe, I don't know. But actually, guys, turquoise and sea green are my favorite colors. Well, actually, my favorite color is aquamarine. It even says on my, for March, I was born in March. Well, now you guys know. Ugh. But yeah, I was born in March, and, well, I'm actually fine with you guys knowing. But, just you know, just don't come to my door and kill me. I really wouldn't like that. I love you guys, and I would know who didn't love me, because I could obviously see in heaven. And also, God is always watching you. Just saying. But yeah, my birthday is in March. And it shows aquamarine for, like, the color. So that explains my love for blue. So yeah, let's see if I can test in this container. Okay, well, we're gonna have to... if this tears, it would be really bad because, like, right now, it's tearing. I can feel the snow. But yeah, so that's that. Let's collect all this. This slime is different because it has beads. The other one doesn't. My camera is tilted. Why you always tilted? It's not like you're tilted towers or something. It can't even fit in here. Okay, I'm gonna try to level up. Level up, level up, level up, level up. So that should be good. I am gonna leave some lotion in each container. So like that. And I'm just gonna close it and hope that it absorbs. Farrah, what's wrong? Okay, so I added that much in there. You know what? I'm just gonna let her out of my room. I think that's all she needs right now, is to be out of my room. My dark, lonely blue room. Whoa, that's creepy, man. You wanna get out of my room? Fine! I'll let you out of my room! There, go into the empty dark hallway, which is very scary. Okay, bye. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my other slime. Let's see. Which one is my cloud slime? Okay, so this one oh my gosh, that's really zoomed in. Sorry, you get that. Well, you could actually need a view of that, because that's what we're going to be using. So this is a little containous cloud slime. And as you can see, it doesn't break, which is good. So I'm going to do this lime yellow, because I don't have a yellow slime. What we can do I have a red slime? Let me check. I have to do like maroon, so no, I don't. I'm going to do a red, and I just got a red paint. You know. Okay, I dropped it. It's very bad luck if you drop red paint. Why are you back? I thought you did not like my room. You monster, you vicious greaser. So I'm going to add, but I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to do one yellow, because I have one more that's left. So I'm just going to leave that to the side. I'm going to take it out, and, whoa, I'm part of a crime scene. And there we go. I'm probably going to be using, like, all my lotion today. Well, I finished the paint. Legit, that's all I wanted. Well, now, that was a very creepy laugh, but now I need to try to collect all the paint off my hands so it doesn't look like I murdered someone. By the way, please don't come to my house and murder me. You don't even know my address, so that's good. You only know that I'm born in March 16th. I mean, Oh, I'm just joking. I'm not born March 16th. I'm in the 30s too. I'm 32. I was born March 32nd. That's a lie, because it only goes to, 30, 31? I don't know. Ah! No month can go to 32. Anyways, with that talk, let's see if it can fit in here. Yes, guys, it can finally fit in here. Let's see. Really? And yes, I film on my desk. This is my desk, by the way. So we have 3 slimes down. 1 more to go. So this next one needs to be yellow. Deep inside me. Ouch, that hurt. Okay. I don't want my slime looking like a blob of sand. So I'm gonna go get my paint, and right now I currently don't have yellow, but I see my yellow in my beautiful teal box right here. So yeah, let's just be Dora the Explorer. Like that. Okay. So this is all my washi tapes. Let me give you a tour of this, actually. This is all my 50 washi tapes, some erasers, camera stuff, sticky notes. But where did you guys see the paint? In here. Man, it sounds like I'm farting. Please don't accuse me of farting, by the way. I'm not. So I'm going to leave all that there because I'm obviously going to come back to that later on. Boo, 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 boo. We're back. Ouchies. Oh, God. Ow. Ah! Sorry about that. Oh. Well, there's already yellow here, so let's just go like that. Yellow that. Oh, my God. That should have been it. Whoa. It's probably gonna, stay the same color. I actually want it to be, like, yellow like this, so I can name it Sunshine. This is bad filming. So, I still have more, and, I don't know how to do this. Okay, I'm gonna get my red slime. Shoo! Get out! Move away. In the arms of an angel, fly away. This is gonna be really red. Guys, please don't accuse me of murdering a slime because I'm just dying it. It's just like if a human is like in Roblox, if your skin tone is pink and you want it to be red, you just dye your skin red. I'm doing the same thing to the slime. Well, now I need to add lotion to it because it's hard, like Harvard. JK, that's actually the college I want to go to. So, let's add lotion. Here is a beautiful lotion! It's not ocean, by the way. But here's a beautiful lotion. Eclipse. Of it. You know? Of the slime. Okay? Yep. Fly away. Man, I wish I had 100 subscribers like Joanna said. Well, actually, she has 1.8 million. I want to be famous. That's my goal. And for people to love me. I'm just joking. I just do this for fun and, you know, because it's entertainment. Guys, I already have some subscribers. Please make that to 15 at least. At least. That's the top I want it. Like, that's not the maximum because I want maximum of 100 million billion. There's no maximum. Let's just say that. What time is it? I don't know. Whoa! What time is it? It's 20:62. Guys, guess what time that is? Military time. It is actually 10 o'clock. 10:20 in military time. Oh, so red is good. Oh, wrong container. Cane saws. I lost the slime. I'm like, wait, I lost my slime. I'm fixing. Got it. Okay, we're good. You shall be the son of yellow. We shall move this red container. Just so it won't, explode all over my desk like it did with the lotion. You guys didn't see that part. I was not filming. And all of a sudden, lotion squirt out of my face. Or, not squirt out of my face. Squirt into my face. Like, not into it, but squirt onto my face. Okay, take two. I wasn't filming, and lotion squirt on top of my face. It was a horrible tragedy. But I'm fine with it. Because now my face is baby butt move. It's 21:55? What? Guys, guess what time is that at now? It's 11:55. And then it goes 12:55. And then 1:55. Man, this video was quite long, actually. Like, just upgrading slime. Plus a little slime haul collection, So, we have this lid full of colors. This is gonna be poop slime. I bet. It's gonna be the color of poop, poop, poop. The color of poop, poop, poop. The color of, the color of, the color of, the color of poop, 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 poop. Okay, so I do want it to be more yellow, but I mean, this is good. So now it's maximum of, or I should say minimum. No, maximum because it's a lot. And my lotion, you can hear it. Wait, no, you can't. I don't know what I just said. Or said. Am I a monster? I'm friends with monsters inside of my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head. Trying to save me from holding your breath. Bro, you think I'm crazy. Yeah, you think I'm crazy. Well, that's not fair. Guys, comment down below what's your favorite show, because my favorite show is Friends, Once Upon a Time. No, Gilmore Girls, Friends, and then Once Upon a Time. But I do know, I'm pretty sure I do know all the casts of, what is it called? Friends. So Phoebe is, I forgot. Monica is, let me think. Just give me some time. Hello, Google. Hello. Okay, Google. No, you give up. You gave up on me. Help me, someone. Okay, guys. So that is all I'm gonna do for this video, because that's all I want to do. Well, not because that's all I want to do, but practically is all I want to do. So, bye guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and also comment down below. Hello. Okay, now bye-bye. Here's a picture of my food.